Hello friends, today we are going to see how to use mail merge option in LibreOffice Writer. For that we have just opened the LibreOffice Writer application here and this is the window of the LibreOffice Writer. Now to use mail merge we require some invitation. Suppose we just choose here invitation card and the message for the birthday invitation card is I have just already created and I have just pasted it here so that it saves our time. And here to give some heading we just use the one of the option which is available here in the insert menu, that is called as font work. It is very similar to the word art facility. I just want to show you. Just select whatever the style you want and just click OK. After that it just shows this text on your screen. Just double click here and just erase this content and just give whatever in whatever heading you want. Suppose for example we want here invitation, so we type here the invitation and just click somewhere else. Your text is ready in styling format and just give the position to that text. Just decrease the size here. We just decrease the size here, then we just shift it here. We'll just shift it invitation. If you want to decrease the size again, just decrease the size. Okay, this is your invitation card. I have just copied some message here just for the demo. Now the invitation card is ready here. I just want to see one more message, one more option here. Some menus are available here, options are available here. That one of the option is page and background color option is available there. But from this we just select any background color. Then if you want any pattern here at the background, just select the pattern bitmap option here, and then different patterns are available here. You may choose as your choice. Then we just set some setting here for the invitation card. Now our invitation card is ready. Now to send this to the multiple recipients, we have to create list of recipients. For that there is option tool and mail merge wizard. Click the mail merge wizard option here and the step-by-step procedure is available here and the different options are here. We just select the use the current document, click the next option, and the simple letter we just want to create, so we already selected here. Then click the next button. Now just see there is one option, select different address list, that is important here. Just click this tab and actually there are 3 lists that are already created here, but if you want to create the new list, just click the create option and the different detailing is available here. We just use some of the detailing here and we have to create the database or the list of recipients. Suppose for example we just type here first name and last name. Suppose for example first name, last name. Now instead of filling all this, we just fill some of the options, so that we just create it in okay, just Sujata and the last name is here. To give the new recipient, just click the new button here, then just type your first name, then the last name. Suppose for example some of the last name is here, just give the city here, then click the new option. You may use all of the options. To save the time we just selected only the first name, last name and the city. Then again click the new button, then suppose for example then just give the surname here, then city. Suppose city is Kolhapur. Okay, then again click new. We just created 4 recipients. Suppose for example the next name is and suppose surname is Deshpande and the city is suppose Latur. In this way you may create any number of recipients. This is just a demo. Then we can see if you want to edit it, this is also available here, and you may change the whatever changes you want here. Then click OK button once you finish with your list. Then it asks for the name. At that time just give the name and don't give the space whenever you give the file name for your list. Now suppose the list invitation is the file name, and by default the extension for this is .csv. Keep it as it is. Just click the save button. Now your list is available here. Just remember one more point, I just repeat it. Instead of giving any space for the file name, just give the continuous name, and then just click the OK button here. Then click the next. Your names are also available here. By using this option you may see the list of your recipients. Then click the next button, and some options are here, salutations and all that. If you want, just select it, then click the next button. Then some options are also, some formatting is given here, so if you want to change the formattings, up and down options are available here, and just click the finish, and it displays the list of recipients here. If you want to change any formatting, by default it displays this at the top, and if you want to change it, just click here and press the delete. If you want to keep it as it is, then keep it as it is. And see here the options are available here for the mail merge. Now I just want to change the formatting, so I just delete this box. And if you want to insert the fields of your data, see there is a data source option. Click this, it just list out your list. Then if you want first name at the top, and if you want to give some the heading here, suppose for example dear friend, then comma, and then you want the name of the friend, so just drag this first name field over here, then one space, and then suppose we just want the last name after this first name, we just drag it here, just press the enter for the city and just drag the city here. And in this way, if you fill all the options, all the fields, all list will be available here. We just use there only the 3 options, so that the database for the 3 fields are available here. After that, if you want to make any changes with your invitation card, do the changes. If you want to increase the font and all that, suppose we just want to increase the font, and just click the font size, and your invitation card is ready now. Whatever formatting you want, do it first, and then click the edit individual letter option or edit individual documents. Now see, it just shows the list of invitation card. This is first one, then this is second one, then this is third one, and this one is the fourth one. In this way we use the mail merge option. Just see the print preview here, our cards are ready. Thank you.